Hey guys, in today's video I will be going over ICT Daily Bias. Now, this video is going to be simple, it's going to be broad, and I'm going to explain it as quick as I can so you guys can properly understand how to use ICT Daily Bias. So, a few of the topics I'm going to cover is drawn liquidity and how you can use it to frame your bias. I'm going to walk you guys through top-down analysis, and I'm also going to end the video with a few trade breakdowns so you guys know how to implement this daily bias as a confluence towards your trades. To start off, what actually is daily bias? Now guys, daily bias is the general direction market is moving in on the daily time frame. Is on the daily time frame as the daily bias. If we're on the hourly time frame, that is our hourly bias. So we can use this as confluence as to which direction to trade the market. Now, if market is moving bearish, we want to trade pro trend and start to look for sells. If market is moving bullish, we also want to trade with the trend rather than trading against the trend, and we want to look for buyers. Now, guys, draw on liquidity. I'm going to be talking about drawn liquidity and how you can use it to frame your bias for the day. Now, guys, in these examples, is price more likely to take out the previous day high or low? As you know, in this example, price is more likely to take out the previous day low. As for this example, price is more likely to take out the previous day high. Now, guys, how can we use this to frame our bias? So, if we were to have a full body closure below the previous day low in this example, we would want to look for market to reach even further. We would look for the next low to be broken. Now, in this example, if market had a full body closure above the previous day high, we would look for another full body closure above the previous day high. So I'm going to demonstrate this on the live chart, so let's get into it. Now, when market fails to have a body closure below or above the previous day high or low, we can estimate and we can infer that market will start to reverse. As you can see in these examples, right here we have the previous day low. As you can see, market breaks below the previous day low. However, we do not get body closure below the previous day low. So we can only estimate for the high to be broken for the next day. So our bias for the next day would be bullish. As in this example, you can see the previous day high has been broken. However, we have body closure within our zone. Body has not closed above the previous day high. So for the next day, we can estimate that the previous for this low to be broken. I'm going to hop onto the chart and show you guys what I mean, so let's get into it. Alright guys, I'm on USD right now. I am on the daily time frame, so each candle represents one day. So I'm going to be explaining to you guys drawn liquidity and how you can use this and implement it into your own trades so you guys know the bias of each day. So to start off, I've marked out our high and our lows. I'm going to play the next candle and see what it does. Now, if I play the next candle, we do break the previous day high. As you can see, however, the body closure is still within our zone. If the body closure were to be outside our zone, we would wait for the next high to be broken, if you get what I mean. However, we have the wick break through the previous day high, and the body of the candle closes within or below our previous day high. So this does mean that we are going to look for market to push even lower. So I'm now next going to be looking for the previous day low to be broken. So let's play the next candle. And as you can see, we do break it with full body closure. So I will be looking for the next low to be broken again. So if I play out market, don't jump too much. And you guys can basically see how this does work and how fantastically it does work. If I play it, next candle, you guys can see we do get another body closure. So we're going to look for market to take the market even lower. Next candle. As you can see, guys, we do take out the previous day low. However, we have body closure. As you guys can see, we do take out the previous day low. However, it's with a wick, it's not with a body candle closure. So this indicates to me that we are going to have a reversal. So now I'm going to look for the high to be taken. Now, if I do play it out, as you can see, we do have the high taken out. However, we do not have a body closure above the high. So we have a body closure below the high. This means that I am looking for a reversal now. So I'm going to look for the low to be taken out. And I hope you guys get it and how it works by now. So if I do play the next candle, you can see we do have a candle closure below the low. Now guys, if you did see every single candle I did get correct and I did understand the bias for every single day. Now just think about how much this could help you guys in your trades. So alright guys, on to the next drawn liquidity, swing points. And an example of this is previous week high and low. Now guys, across our week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you guys do know Saturday and Sunday market is closed. So throughout the week, we want to mark out the high and low of the week. You could do this by going onto your weekly time frame and mark out the high and low of the weekly candle. Or you could just go on the daily and count it yourself if you want, but that's longer. However, as you can see here, I've drawn you guys out a diagram, and as you can see, Tuesday is our previous week high, and Wednesday is our previous week low. Now guys, we can use this draw of liquidity the same way we used the previous day high and the previous day low. Now guys, if we do see a continuation, if we see a full body closure, we'll be looking for a continuation. We'll be looking for the next high to be broken. As for if we don't see a body closure, if we only see a wick closure, then we will be looking for a reversal. It is used in the same way. As you can see in this example, the candle has taken out the previous week high. So from here, I am now bullish. I'm going to be looking to take the market even higher. As for here, you can see our Monday candle, our new week. We've taken out the previous week high, as you can see. Now I will be looking for a bearish market. I will be looking to sell the market right here. As you can see, market has rejected off the previous week high. We have not got body closure. So now I do know we are bearish. Alright guys, if you use all the concepts I have taught you, so as you can see right here, we do close above an old high, a swing point right here, and you can see market is rejecting it, and we've paired this with a PD array, in our case an order block which is in a premium zone in the market. Now guys, from here we can continue to use our daily bias and assume that market will then take out the low of this candle. So I'm going to hop onto TradingView now and show you guys an example of a trade I have caught using this strategy and using the ICT Daily Bias. So now before I continue with the video, I just want to show you guys an absolutely amazing opportunity for you guys. Now, I will get you funded 100% guaranteed. Now, if you are skeptical, you guys can check out the group, the Telegram group, the first link in the description. You guys can see how many accounts we passed. Here's a 200k account we passed. Here's a client which was so happy that we passed his account. He's not been able to pass a funded challenge in 2 months. He's been wasting a lot of money. However, we got him funded in a couple of minutes. Stop wasting your money on funded accounts, guys. Be smart and get funded 100% guaranteed. Now, if you're skeptical, guys, you'd not pay a single penny until we get you funded. And we have a guarantee for that, guys. If we do not get you funded, we will refund every single penny. And plus, I will give you $1,000 out of my own pocket on top if we do not manage to get you funded. It's absolutely zero risk for you guys. In the worst case scenario, you make $1,000. So what are you waiting for? Go click the first link in the description and send me a message. Alright guys, I'm on EURUSD and I'm going to be showing you guys a 1 to 4 trade which I caught. Now this trade was absolutely amazing. Ran about 30 pips, and if you were to risk 1% of this trade, you'd make 4% on your account, which is absolutely amazing. Congrats to anyone who caught it in the signals room, as this trade was actually sent out to the signals room and the screenshot will be put up on screen right now for those of you who don't believe. So let's get into the breakdown. Alright guys, I just want to start off with showing you guys how I use my daily bias towards this trade. Now I'm going to show you guys what I've seen on the daily time frame. So firstly, I've spotted market has tapped into a very nice order block right here, as you can see, guys. So firstly, we've had this demand zone mitigated. As you can see, we've had a beautiful rejection. However, let's replay the market right here. And as you can see, if I do play out the next candle, you can see a beautiful rejection we get. Now we are still on the daily time frame. So guys, as I said, you can mark out your previous day highs and day lows. As you can see, we've broken through the previous day high. However, we had a rejection. So if I do play out the next candle, you can see we break the low with body closure. So I would look for market to take the market even lower. So from this point onwards, I know the bias of our day is in fact bearish. So I will start to look for sales on the market. Here is where I caught the trade and I dropped to a lower time frame. Alright guys, now on the 15-minute here, I have my previous day alone. Let me just delete that. And I have spotted that market has, if I play a little bit more, you can see that market has tapped into a demand zone right here. Now from here, I did hop onto the 1 minute time frame to try catch lower time frame confirmations. Ooh, what's happening? Okay, as you can see from here, I did spot a lovely area of demand right here. So as you can see, if you guys are not sure how to spot valid order blocks, I do have a video on that. So for here, I'll just say that we did sweep liquidity right here. As you can see, relative highs right here. Market has swept these relative highs. From here, we've broken structure to the downside, as you can see, and market has left a beautiful fair value gap, which market would presumably come back and return to fill. So we can say this is a strong order block, which I would like to place a trade-off aggressive, as if we measure the size of this order block, it is refined to about 2 pips or less. So from here, I did just place my limit and wait for market to hit our zone. Now TP above the original order block, which was, if I do hop on the higher time frame, above this high right here. So now we did in fact also get a market structure shift, which does confirm my bias. Let me just mark that out for you guys. As you can see, we have a market structure shift. Now Our market structure shift is a reversal pattern. As you can see, we were quite bullish for a little bit, and we got this market structure shift. We were forming higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. Now we're starting to get a higher low and a lower low. This shows market is changing in trend. We are getting a change in momentum. So this just confirms my bias that I want to take market to the downside. And as for take profits, so if I do up into the 5-minute time frame, you guys can see there is a lovely zone right here which you could have taken profit from. So as you can see, this supply zone is valid as we do have an engulfing candle. We have a break of structure to the upside. And now if I do play our market, you guys can see we do get tapped in beautifully. If I just play our market a little more. All right. Boom, here we go. And we get tapped into market right here, as you guys can see. So as for take profit all the way down here to this zone. If I can expand it. Okay, there we go. If I play our market, you guys can see how beautifully this trade did play out. There we go. We hit for full take profit, guys. This trade was absolutely amazing, guys. Now, to recap, guys, start off on the daily time frame, which I did. I've got my daily bias. As you guys can see, I spotted a PD array. If I do pull out my Fibonacci, if you guys do want to know what a PD array is, basically premium discount arrays such as order blocks with fair value gaps in premium or discount. As you can see, this order block is in premium, so I did take it. Even if you want to put the Fibonacci right here, you guys can see we are in premium. So we've had an order block in premium. We've had the order block mitigated. We've had market tap into it, and we've had our previous day high taken. However, body closed back, which shows me that market wants to take market to the downside, and then we do end up taking this day's low, which just confirms for me market is in fact bearish. So from here, I do hop onto a lower time frame, such as the 15-minute market. I see that the market has tapped into another demand zone. From here, I hop onto the 1 minute to get my lower time frame confirmation. Lo and behold, I do see another lovely order block right here, which I do end up entering off aggressive. As you guys can see, place my take profit at another order block, as you guys can see, and I just let the trade play out from there. And as you can see, guys, I did bag myself a nice 1 to 4, which is absolutely amazing. Now that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy and you did learn something new. If you do want to catch trades like this, make sure you guys join the signals room. It will be in the Telegram on the first link in the description, and you guys can just message me. And make sure you guys do get funded on an account. If you guys are not funded, there's literally no point of you trading, as you will not make money unless you are a funded trader, guys. Get funded 100% guaranteed, so any trades you do place, you will be making money off it. So see you guys next time.